I'm Mary Quinlan. I'm with the City of Calgary. I'm a landscape architect and a project manager with Arts and Culture, working specifically in cultural development.
What is cultural development?
That is the question. It's we're quite literally trying to answer this question right now because people don't fully understand our work. So it's many things. It's trying to weave the community together through celebrating everyone's uniqueness. Like our differences can bring us together. It's a celebration of everything that we are. Culture isn't one thing. It's something very individual, and it's bringing everyone together into that sense of community. And so we're developing that.
Awesome. We need more of that. How does public